I'm going to show you how to fix ready or not crashing issue. Make sure to follow my steps. For the first one, go to this upside arrow and then look for the launcher that you have ready or not on, whether it's Steam or Epic Games. Right click on it and select exit. That way ensure that the launcher is not running in the background anymore. For the next step, go to the search and type in device manager. Now once this pop up, all you have to do, go for display adapters and open it. You will find possibly at least 2 graphics cards will be displaying, so make sure to select your strongest GPU, which is NVIDIA or AMD. Right click and select update driver. After that, select search automatically for drivers and then select close. Next, go to the search and type in NVIDIA. Of course, if you do have an NVIDIA graphics card, you will find this NVIDIA app displaying. If not, go to their official website and download it from there. Otherwise, you open the AMD app and follow my steps. Make sure to sign up with an account. After that, go to settings at the left menu and make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay. It is very important because it's possibly making an issue with your game crashing. After that, go to the drivers. Make sure to install the latest available updates you will find by clicking on the install and make sure to follow up with the process. You can go ahead and open the launcher. So go to the view option and select library. Now from here, look for ready or not. You must have the game already installed. So I'm going to show you on this one. Just select this gear icon and then select on properties. After that, go to launch options and type in -dx11 and then go to installed files and select verify integrity of game files to ensure that any corrupted or missing file will be restored safely without the need to install the game from the start. After doing that, just close everything. You can run the game and test if it works. Otherwise, go to the Windows icon and try restarting the computer before doing that. If you do find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.